Hello everyone and welcome to Dawit Trader. Today I've got some good exciting news to share with you. In this video I will explain the 3 key principles that will help you become a successful trader and earn a stable income. These principles are essential for anyone serious about trading, and I'll dive into that right now. After that, I will cover the highly requested redline strategy that many of you have asked me about on my Telegram channel. And be sure to watch until the end, as I've got another good piece of news for you. Here we go. After 6 years of trading, I can confidently say that to become a professional trader, there are 3 things you absolutely need to master. First is psychology. You can be the best trader with vast knowledge, but without right mindset, success is impossible. If you're struggling with personal issues or work-related problems, it will affect your trading. Therefore, maintaining a positive and calm mindset during trading is key. This is the foundation of success. Second rule, money management. This is an area where many traders make mistakes. When you win, it's easy to get carried away and trade more and more. But the market conditions on pocket options change constantly. Set a margin for yourself from the beginning. For instance, I use a 10% margin. This means that when I start trading, I invest a certain amount, and sometimes I win, sometimes I lose, but if my losses reach 10%, I stop. This helps maintaining discipline. If you've incurred losses, don't try to recover them immediately. Take a break and return later when you're in a calm state. If you lose 50%, it will be hard to recover, so it's best to stop trading for the day and come back with a fresh mind, right? Also, continuing to trade after making a profit can be risky because you may start increasing your bets. Set a profit target. 10%, 20%, or 30%. Once you reach your target, secure your profit and start a new trading session. This is the second key rule. Third rule, strategy. This is the most important rule in my opinion. You can be disciplined and calm, but if you start opening trades without proper analysis and just really on intuition, you're likely to face losses. This is why I teach you various strategies. You need to find the strategy that works best for you. Start with a demo account on pocket option rather than with the real money. Practice until you're confident in your strategy, and then move to a real account. And begin with the small amounts like $2 or $3, not 200 or 300. This way, you'll build confidence in yourself and your strategy. Gradually increase your investment and you gain experience. So, these are the 3 key rules: psychology, money management, and strategy. Master these 3 and success will follow. Now, let's talk about the red line strategy, which many of you have asked me about in my direct messages on Telegram. I'm going to explain it quickly and simply showing you how to find the best entry points for this strategy. Let's dive in. So, to start trading, first select trades with a duration of 1 minute. Then choose the candlestick chart if you haven't already done. For the trade amount, we will start with just $1, which is the minimum, but no worry, we will increase it later. We will need 3 indicators: MACD, Bollinger Bands, and moving average. We don't change the MACD settings. We don't need this. For the Bollinger Bands, we set the period to 20, adjust the duration to 2 and save it. For the moving average, we choose a period of 7 and set the color to red. Okay. The MACD helps us determine the direction and strength of the trend. Bollinger Bands reflect the current price directions. And the moving average show us the average price value. This makes it easier to identify the trend direction. Now, let's look at currency pairs. If the indicators show a strong trend and the price bounces off the moving average upward, it's a good opportunity to open a call option. Okay, let's do that. Yeah, we pick the trade and we just click the button. And we will see the results. We will follow our strategy and everything. It's possible, of course, but we will follow the strategy. Okay, we just start. It's okay. Yeah, the first trade resulted in a loss, but it was just $1, so we didn't lose much. For the next trade, we will invest 5. Now we just need to find a suitable currency pair. Let's check here. This one does look great, but this one, oh, seems better. Here we can see a downward trend, and all indicators suggest the price will fall. So we will open a sell trade. Yeah, $5 in a trade is not also too much, but it's enough to check the strategy. Yeah, and let's see. As we can see, the trade closed in profit. Our $5 turned it into 9. Now we will increase the trade amount to $10. And the downtrend continues, so we will open another sell trade. Yeah, now it's 10. And yeah, the indicators should work well, I promise. Well, this trade also closed with a solid profit. These indicators are working really well. Let's open one more trade, the fourth one, this time with $50. To save time, I will speed up the process of finding the right trade. Here we see a very strong downtrend. All the indicators are clearly showing that the price will drop. Well, open another downward trade. Yeah, 50. It's a real deal now. This is my rate. And let's see. The fourth trade also closed successfully with a strong profit. The trading indicators working flawlessly, helping us identify a strong downtrend. Well, yeah, remember, even if you're an experienced trader, you will still face losing trades and occasional losses. But in the long run, you will make a profit. It's important to stay calm and composed while trading. Okay, don't forget what I mentioned at the beginning. Psychology plays a crucial role in the trading. Always stay relaxed and confident. I hope this information was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on my Telegram. I'll be happy to respond. You will find the link to my Telegram channel in the description below. Go there. Also, if you like to join Pocket Option and trade with us in the trading club, the link will be in the description as well. Be sure to check it out. Thank you all and see you soon!